Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the E-6000 adhesive in a 2-ounce clear carded tube. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful reviews and product recommendations. Now, let's talk about the E-6000 adhesive. This industrial-strength, general-purpose adhesive is a game-changer when it comes to bonding materials like wood, fabric, leather, ceramic, glass, metal, and more. It's photo-safe, printable, and safe to use in the washer and dryer. Plus, it's non-flammable, making it a reliable choice for any project. Any of the standout features of this adhesive is its temperature resistance. It remains flexible, even in extreme conditions, ensuring that your bond holds strong no matter what. Additionally, it's waterproof, so you can trust that your bond will remain secure even when exposed to water. Once cured, the adhesive dries white and is paintable, giving you the flexibility to customize and finish your projects to your liking. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional craftsman, or just someone who loves to create, the E-6000 adhesive is a must-have in your toolkit. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and powerful adhesive that can handle a wide range of materials and conditions, make sure to check out the E-6000 adhesive through the link in the description. Trust us, you won't be disappointed with the results. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.